How to delete Outlook account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. In a preferred browser, search for outlook.live.com. Then over here at the top, go ahead and click on your user icon and tap on My Microsoft Account. It will redirect you to a new page. From here in the left-hand side, go ahead and click on the user icon. This will redirect you to your account info, so go ahead and click on it. From here, scroll down until you see the option of Close Account and click on Close Account. This will again redirect you to the Microsoft support. Tap on Close Account button. After this, to verify your identity, you will have to retype your email address and tap on Send Code. In your designated email address, you will be sent an OTP code which you have to enter right here in this field. After that, click on the Verify button to verify your account. Then you'll be redirected to a new tab. Over here, you need to scroll down and tap on the Next button. Then go ahead and check mark all of this tiny box to give your permission. You can select a reason. Final step, to tap on the dialog box that says Mark Account for Closure. If you change your mind, you can recover your account anytime soon within the 60 days. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.